so much has changed. I mean, just this place alone is a perfect example of all the changes that are going on. So tell us a little bit about the Nissan Studio.
Yeah.
I think the first question is like, why?
Yeah. So, I mean, here we are. I guess it's 54 weeks into the pandemic, and most people think we launched this because dealerships were closed and shuttered, and we needed a new way to retail, perhaps as a result of COVID. I would say that pushed us or accelerated us to launching the studio, but it wasn't the reason that we thought about an experience center or really a virtual online showroom as another way to connect with consumers, not as a replacement for dealerships whatsoever, but to meet consumers on their terms. And to offer something that's different from most other brands. So again, it's something that we looked at. Obviously, as you're running a marketing organization within a car company, there are so many priorities. But I would say really the impetus of not having an auto show season and opening up the budget that did allowed us to launch the studio and allow us to connect with consumers in a way that we haven't been able to do so before. So we've been really excited about how it's been working so far.
It really does create a cool experience, right? I mean, I think everyone in the industry right now is trying to define what that customer experience is. Not only just define what it's going to look like in the future, but also just better what the experience is right now. And this is just a really cool example of that. So, for someone, let's say a consumer wants to engage with the studio, how can they engage with the studio?
Yeah, so I mean, we launched the studio, even though we're here in person at Yorkdale Mall, with the key goal of how do we interact with consumers around the country. So you can walk in obviously to the studio if you're here in Yorkdale, but the goal for us is to be able to interact with consumers regardless of where they are. And you can do so via Nissan.ca. The goal is to have an access or a key portal to the studio from every single one of the model specific pages on Nissan.ca that's featured in the studio. So if you visit the Sentra page on Nissan.ca, if you visit the Rogue page or the Kicks page or the Versa page on Nissan.ca, you're offered the ability to take a live tour or broadcast with one of our hosts here at the studio. So I would say that's probably the easiest way for someone to interact with us, but it's offered multiple different touch points on Nissan.ca.
Thanks for tuning in to the Strategy with Jason podcast with your host, Jason Harris. Don't want to miss new content? Be sure to check out the full podcast library at strategywithjason.com to stay in the know. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy podcasting.